Good morning everyone, I hope you're all okay. Today is Sunday morning and we are having our Sunday reset. So I thought I would catch up with you because I obviously just popped up organising my life. Let you know how that's going and yeah, just show you a little bit of that new routine that we are working on together. So this morning we have woken up and we've kind of, well, I've decided, I don't know if everyone else is happy about it, but I thought Sunday morning is like the perfect time to just have a good reset in the house. And I know that not everyone wants to get up and start cleaning on a Sunday morning, but we obviously wake up quite early. Like, we don't tend to have many lay-ins because obviously the kids wake up. So I thought, you know, most of the time by 8 o'clock we are up and had our breakfast and stuff. So I thought even spending an hour of that morning doing a bit of cleaning will help me in the week. So like, I'm now doing my bedroom, so I've stripped my sheets and I'm asking the kids to do their bedding, take that off so I can pop it in the wash, and also give them a dust and a hoover, which I think is more than reasonable because they actually would just sit there on their iPad or something. I think for half an hour of their time, just to help us as a family, I was going to say me, but yeah, for the sake of half an hour, I think it teaches them as well, like, how to do things in life, because when you do everything for them and then they eventually move out, they don't know how to do anything. So yeah, it's all part of the small changes making big changes later on. That's what we're doing this morning, and I do also need to have a shower. I have actually took all of my extensions out, which I'm just going to show you now, and it's just so thin. Like, it's not as thin as it felt the other day, because, you know, I don't know if anyone has extensions, but when you first take them out you're a bit like, oh my god, like I literally felt I had no hair left. So it feels a bit better, and I'm now on day 3 of not washing it, so I'm trying my best to go a bit longer in between washes as well. And I've also ordered some vitamins, and I've completely gone off the track of what I was saying because yeah, I cut my hair. So when I took them out, I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to cut it. So I did take, let me just move back a couple of inches off because I think it was just below here. And I also just added in, which you're not going to see looks the best at the moment because my hair needs a wash, but I did add in some longer like fringe pieces so that if I wore my hair down I can have some nice little side fringe out. So yeah, I know everyone says you shouldn't cut your own hair, but why not? So I did it. But yeah, I'm now going to just pop the washing in, and then I'm going to dust and hoover my bedroom, just put away anything that needs to go away, and then I'm probably going to move on to my little ensuite through there and just see what needs doing. Probably like empty the bin, clean the sides, the sink and the toilet. And I do need to do the shower, but maybe I could do that after my shower. I also have quite a few good bits to show you, like from the shops, which I'm really excited about. I've got some bits from Poundland and also Home Bargains because Ava Lily's birthday is this month. So I picked up a few bits from there, but yeah. So these are today's wash loads to go in. I've got my white bedding and Ava Lily's, and then these are like our bottom sheets. And I also bought us a new sheet each. This is part of the making life easier because I only had one sheet before for both of us and one duvet set. So I've now bought 2 of these sheets, so we both have 2 each. These are from Asda, they're the fitted sheet. I've got king size, and then this is hers, which I'm just unwrapping to wash in the double. And I've also got a new washing routine as well, which I may do a video for because I feel like it could be helpful. But basically this is all now ready to come off because I was so sick of having 2 rails here full with clothes every day, sick of the sight of it. So now this is done for the morning and I'm going to take it down and have my hallway clear. All of these are obviously dry and they're going to be put away as well. So yeah, I'm going to get this washing in and then move on to the bedroom. Okay, so that's the bedroom done. The bed sheets are obviously in, we've dusted the sides and hoovered. And we've also, Will did the shower and I did the toilet, the sink. I popped some bleach in here just to give that a good clean, and I've also done the floor. And then I think I'm now going to just sort out these drawers because they are not the best organised. And I feel like this is my place where I come to at night to relax, and I just want everything here that I need and use the most often. So yeah, I'm going to have a good clear through and just get some organisation in my life, in my bedside drawers. Because decluttering is also a big part of organising your life. Bedside table is organised. I've popped my diary here and my crystal, and then in the top drawer I have some more notebooks that I use, my pencil case, which I really want a new one, and my ruler, and then I have some vitamins here which I've started taking, as I said at the beginning of the video, for my hair. Hopefully it'll thicken it up, so I'll let you know how I get on with them. And I did also order the retinol, and what was the other one? It came with another one, biotin I think it was, but it didn't come, so they're sending me that out. And that one is also supposed to help with hair growth. So that is my drawer there. And then in here, I don't have much to put in here, so I've just put my camera at the back, and I've got a few little nail bits here. I need to buy some nail files, but yeah, I don't really have a use for this drawer, but I'm sure now it's empty I'll be able to pop some things in there that'll be useful. I've got my laptop that needs to go downstairs in the drawer, and then this little folder here is Manny's artwork that I am collecting. So I bought this sketchbook, which I saw on my friend Ellie's Instagram, and it's from Tiger, and basically any artwork then I can just stick in and pop the date. So I need to stick all of this in. Yeah, I need to do that job, so I will do that another day, but I'm keeping that to the side so I've got it to add bits to. So yeah, apart from that, I'm really happy actually, because that's another job now done. So today is actually Wednesday. I thought I would pick up the camera again because I didn't get to share my haul with you from Sunday. So I thought I would add that onto the video here. So I've got a few bits from Home Bargains, Poundland and Matalan, and I thought I would just share it as like a big collective haul. So I'm just going to start off with Matalan because I only got these things from here, but I thought they were worth showing because they actually have such a good sale on in there at the moment in the home bit. I think they have 50% off. Well, this is more than 50% actually. I think it's 75% on Christmas stuff, 50% on some of their old home stuff. But I actually got these cushions, and I know they're Christmas, but they were £14 down to £3, and they really are my style. So I thought, look, imagine on my sofa next Christmas, these are going to look lovely. So I picked 2 of these up. I'm probably going to have one on this sofa, like in the middle, and then one in the other sofa. But they were just £6, so I had to get them, and I thought I would share them with you because they're just so nice. And then let me just get the Poundland bits. So this was an absolute find, and I do kick myself a little bit because I wish I got the bigger version. I've got a hair on my face there. There it is. But I'm really happy with this little purchase. So this little vase was just £3. It comes with the bunny tails and it has the little booty on the back. But they did do it in a bigger version. I think it was probably like this big, just without the bunny tails, and I didn't pick it up. And now I've been into Poundland since, and they don't have it. So I'm kicking myself a little bit, but I'm sure I will find one. But this is just so cute, and for £3, like look, these come with it. I just thought that was so nice. So I had to share that with you. And then also in Poundland, I picked up my spray paints, and I must say I have used like the Rust-Oleum, even the white spray paint, because I was so sick of white spray paint not being any good. And even the Rust-Oleum one I don't find the best. I've tried like B&M ones, all sorts. So I've now picked up this one. It's the chalky furniture paint in Poundland. They are £2.50, and the reason I got it is because last year I picked up this colour. This is the Natural Hessian, and this is amazing. It covers so well, the colour is so gorgeous. So I've picked this one up to try, and I will let you know probably in a vlog when I DIY something how this one is. But yeah, I thought £2.50. I'm going to give it a go, and I bought another one of them because I'm running out. I'm going to go on to Home Bargains next. So when I went in there on Friday, they had started to get out their Valentine's, Mother's Day and Easter sections, and I love Home Bargains for seasonal stuff. And I know I'm an overbuyer, so I am going to try my best this year, and I do have a lot of the things that they do re-bring out again. But this year I saw this. How cute is this? It's just so adorable. A little cream grass bunny. They had the green ones as well, but I thought this is just gonna look so nice on my Easter table. I think this one was $4.99 maybe. But yeah, it's massive as well, isn't it? So I just had to get that, and I did walk around with it in my basket, and I was like, shall I buy it? Just had to because I just love it so much. Let me pick my bag up. I also picked up some bits for Ava Lily's birthday, which is coming up next week, and we're gonna do like a movie night kind of party, but it's like during the afternoon. So I picked up some bits for that. I did get this wrapping paper, and this was from Asda, but they had a sale on as well, and this was 50p. So I got 2 of these, and I also got the gift bag, but I thought I'd just show you this one. So I don't know if you can see that, but they're like really gorgeous butterflies. And they have like these gold fleck through the wrapping paper. It's just so lovely. I really like the colours as well. So that I've got for my wrapping paper. And then I picked up in Home Bargains, I got a treat yourself wall, because obviously it's like a movie night. I was thinking to put some popcorn in here. But when I opened the packaging and got one of the cones out, they're actually really quite small. I'd probably say about that big. So I'm now thinking to do this as like a little pick and mix sweet stand, and I'm gonna have it like on my sideboard. So maybe if I put it together and I can get 2 on there, I could do one with popcorn, one with pick and mix. That would look quite good. But yeah, this was $3.99, so I got that. Some balloon arches, so I thought I'd share these because I think I got one at Christmas time and one another time, but they have them in there all the time. They do so many different colours. They're in their party bit. I've got 2 balloon arches, and these are $4.99 as well. They're both exactly the same. I know the packaging is different, but they are white and gold confetti. Yeah, they're exactly the same. So I've got one for in the living room and one for in the kitchen to put up for her birthday. So I've got the plates, they were £1, the cups, they were £1, and some little straws for the girls, which is really nice. And I also got some heart confetti in white gold. And I got this. So this is a foil fringe backdrop. I don't think this was no more than £1, but these are so difficult to put up. But I thought I could just pop it up somewhere so they could do like a little photo booth bit. So I'm gonna see how I get on with that. But this is my little bag of party bits. That's everything I got from Home Bargains. I will be back next Sunday. I think I'm gonna do my kitchen declutter and deep clean because we are starting our kitchen renovation. So I will probably also do a video talking through things that we want to get done in the house this year. So yeah, we're gonna start the kitchen soon. I've been putting my board together on Pinterest and I'm really looking forward to starting. I think we're just getting a list of things now and pricing everything up, and we're gonna get started. So I'm so excited. Yeah, I'll have to just do a little video to update you all. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this year and the changes we're gonna make in the house and just some of the things that I've already booked, and we are gonna make some great memories. So yeah, sorry for the long endro there. The endro? The intro, the endro. I just made that up. I'm gonna go now and I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.